Whether planning a trip, making a booking, or requesting departure or in-flight assistance, Qantas ensures a seamless journey for its passengers. But bringing some of its legacy technology up to speed with the company's vision was a challenge. It was slow in responding to change, had a fixed compute capacity, and relied on extensive, expensive, and inefficient manual work. Qantas needed a technology revamp that would allow it to speed development time, provide multi-channel services, ensure scalability, and fuel business agility. The airline required a modern API management solution that could help the company operate, protect, capitalize on its assets, and provide great digital experiences for its customers. Qantas chose WSO2 API Manager as its technology solution. With the help of WSO2, Qantas re-architected its technology implementation around an API-first strategy. In order to meet all of the company's requirements, it leveraged agile development practices, RESTful APIs, microservices, and the cloud. In 12 months, the company increased the number of APIs published by its team by tenfold, saw a 500% increase in the volume of managed API traffic, and more than halved its operating costs when measured against traffic volume. Find out how WSO2 can help build value-added services and get to market faster with our suite of open-source, cloud-native offerings.